Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and in operating system, let us discuss what is the process, so the definition of the process and the process relationship. So first we saw what is program, and after that we discuss what is the process. So a program is an organized collection of instruction. So for example, we can say that recipe for cooking, it contains a list of ingredients and list of statement. Now what is process? So process is an instance of a computer program that is being executed. It contains the program code and its current activity. So basically a process is an execution of program. So for example, to cook as per the written in recipe book is process. But the list of the ingredients and then the steps listed in the recipe book are the program. We can say that. Now what is the difference between program and process? So program is an organized collection of instruction, while a process is an execution of program. A program is a static passive entity that we cannot change in it, and a process is a dynamic or active entity. A program has a longer lifespan because we can say that we can store that list of ingredients. But process, after we complete the execution of it, the process is completed. So now there is no life of process. So the process has limited lifespan. A program is stored on disk, while a process contains various resources like as memory space, disk, printer, scanner, etc. as per its requirement. A program requires memory space on disk to store all the instruction only, and a process contains memory space which is called its address space. So this is the difference between program and process, and there is a list of memory location which the process can read and write, and that address space contain three parts. Which three parts? An executable program or code, programs data to contain global variables, and stack to contain temporary data such as method parameters, return address, and local variable. So this is the three parts of the address. So this is the process model overview. There are four processes A, B, C and D. There is a running state, and this is indicate waiting state. So this is running, and this this is waiting state. So let us understand what is actually process model. So modern operating systems are multitasking system. They permit multiple programs to be loaded into the memory and execute them concurrently. So in reality, it provides only illusion that all processes running concurrently. The reason is the CPU can do only one work at a time. It cannot execute more than one instruction at the same time. So in other words, the CPU can handle only single process at a time. So here CPU is multiplexed in time among several processes which are loaded in main memory. So this is the thing that is actually shown in this model, that at this particular time process A is running, for particular this time B is running, for this C, then D, then again A, again B, again C and again D. So this is the time sharing operation actually. So CPU can handle only single process at a time. Processes take turn to use CPU. So what actually process is doing? It takes turn to use CPU. Here one process is selected to use the CPU and it will be executed. Other process waits for the CPU to become free. So this cycle continues to execute all processes. Meanwhile, new processes are created as per requirements to perform various tasks, and running processes get terminated once their task is accomplished or some error situation occur. So when currently running process waits for some event such as IO operation CPU becomes free. So now another process is selected to use the CPU. For example, A is waiting for some keyboard input. So now CPU is free and process B will be executed. Now again process B will waiting for printer. So then CPU become free and process C will be executed. Now A is completed his keyboard event and it will again executed. Same likewise now process B completes its printer action and it also again executed. Okay, so this is how actually processes are in the main memory and it will executed in the CPU. Now what is the programmer's view of process? So the programmers prepare a program which contains collection of instruction to perform particular task. So this programmer is preparing a program which contains actually collection of instruction to perform particular task. So this program is stored on hard disk in form of a file. When this program is compiled, it is converted into an executable file. Okay, so basically program is first stored in hard disk. It is basically a file. So whenever this program is compiled, it is converted into an executable file. So till now a program is only a passive entity and don't perform any task. But now when a program is executed, it becomes a process. So it is loaded into main memory of a computer system and it takes form of process. A process is now again dynamic entity and performs the task specified by instruction written in a program. So now process is dynamic entity and it performs the specific task which is given to it. So this is how actually a program is defined, then a process will work, how actually we feel like that there is a multi processes are running in the CPU, but actually there is an illusion. At a time only one process can execute, but whenever there is a situation that any process is waiting for some input output operation or any another interrupt, then CPU become free and it execute another processes. So we can feel that there is multiple processes are executing in the CPU. Okay, so this is the basic of the what is process, what is program and how actually process is executed. Thank you.